So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to learn how to create snack ladder game board. Okay, so let me show you what is the snack ladder game board. So this is the snack ladders game board. Okay, so if you remember, let me show you how a snack ladder game look like. Snack ladder board React. Let me go to the image. So see, you can clearly see this is the snack ladder board game, snack ladder games board. So we are going to create this board using React.js. So let's start. So what first of all what we have to do is we have to create these boxes. You can say this matrix of 10 by 10. So let us first create this matrix. Okay, so what all we need is we have to we have to run a loop. Okay, so let me create an array. Array dot from, we are creating array from length of 10. Okay, and after creating this length we are iterating each item of this array. So okay, div, and and here we are extracting two things from here. First is the item and second is index. So let me write index here, and let me show you on the UI how it looks. Yes, so we are able to create a we are able to like render 10 div. So now we have to we have to we have to do one thing. So for every number, for every row we have to generate 10 more boxes. Okay, so for that we will directly map this data, item and index and array itself. We are going to map this array itself, return, we have to return a div. Okay, we also need a count to to track the total number of boxes. Count equals to 0. Don't forget to use let. Okay, we are writing at wrong place. Okay, so don't forget to add key here because you are mapping somewhere. Okay, also here index, and use count here, and before rendering count increase just count by 1. See, so I'm able to print 0 to 100. So let me add some CSS here. Just let me add height of 10, width of 10, and BG of, instead BG let me add a first border. Okay, yes, so I'm able to see the styling here, and let me do one thing. So let me give it flex. Okay, so let me add class to the parent. Okay, flex. See, if it is one, it is starting in uh, wrong direction, so we have to flex row reverse. We have to use flex row reverse. Okay, not row reverse. We instead of flex using there, let me use flex here. Correct, flex. And if I'm not using flex here, then what will happen? Correct. So see, if we are not using flex, but we need this, we have to start one from the last row. Instead of flex row reverse. Okay, no, actually this is not working. What happened? Instead, let me add flex here itself, and flex row. Okay, so what wrong I'm doing here is flex. Correct. So first of all, let me do one thing. Remove this flex. Okay, correct. This is flex, normal flex. Okay, so instead we have to flex it in the column direction. Okay, in the column direction, and instead column, let me flex it in the column reverse order. Okay, yes, so now it is working. So now let me give it flex. Yes, so now we are able to the, the row, last row the order is correct, but it's above rows order is not correct. Instead of 11 here, 11 must start from here. Okay, so we are going to add a logic here. The logic is we have to use if index is uh, odd. Okay, if it is odd, then we have to use flex row reverse. Instead of row, we have to use flex row reverse. And correct, it is working fine. Correct. See, 1 2 3 4 11. Correct. And also have to add, I also have to add here is to add a logic here. If count modules to double equal to 1, if it is odd, then what I have to do is to write bg red. Yes, see, the logic is completed. So guys, this was the snack ladder board problem. So I just solved this problem. You want to take a screen, you can take it. Yeah, so thank you so much guys, we will meet next time in new video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.